Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 3200 LatteGo and the De'Longhi Dinamica, both renewed super-automatic espresso machines, right?
Yep, that's the plan. First thing that jumps out is the price. The Philips is listed at $599, but I don't see a price for the De'Longhi, just that it's currently unavailable.
Right. Availability is a big factor. But let's pretend they're both available for a sec. The Philips boasts 5 coffee options, including iced coffee, which is pretty cool.
The De'Longhi counters with a whopping 18 espresso and specialty coffee recipes. Lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, the works. That's a serious advantage if you like variety.
True, but what about the milk frothing? The Philips uses their LatteGo system, which they say creates silky smooth froth with cyclonic tech.
The De'Longhi's got the Latte Crema system. It automatically froths milk to the ideal density, and it's even compatible with alternative milks like oat or soy. That's a plus for non-dairy folks, and it's also self-cleaning, which is nice.
Self-cleaning is always a win. The Philips has a removable brew group for easy cleaning, which is also important. What about the grinders?
De'Longhi has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 adjustable settings. Freshly ground beans are always better, and the adjustability lets you dial in your espresso.
Philips uses ceramic grinders that they claim are good for 20,000 cups. Ceramic is supposed to be durable, so that's a long-term benefit. And the aroma seal keeps the beans fresh.
Good point. The De'Longhi has a My Menu personalization feature, so you can save your perfect recipe.
That's handy. The Philips has the aroma extract system that optimizes brewing temp and water flow. It sounds pretty technical, but ensures a good cup. The Philips is lighter, 21.6 pounds vs 23.2 for the De'Longhi.
And the De'Longhi has an LCD display, making it easier to navigate the settings and drink options. But honestly, both seem like solid machines. It boils down to whether you value variety in drinks, De'Longhi, or the iced coffee option and maybe the easier cleaning Philips. And of course, if you can even find the De'Longhi in stock.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.